This sentence costs $500. He knows exactly how it should look. He just doesn't know the buttons.
Uncle, I would like to color grade this video.
You are on the color page with the color wheel.
Let's add contrast and depth.
Now let's warm up or enrich the midtones. Drag the gamma color wheel puck slightly toward orange.
Let's move ahead and switch to the curves.
Uncle is a bridge between the software and your creativity. It's right here whenever you have a question, and it doesn't make the decision in your place. It will never edit or color grade in your stead. All it does is it shows you how to achieve different things. You ask a question and it shows you which button or which setting to tweak. The decision is still yours, only difference being that now you don't have to sit and wait through hours of tutorials and useless courses when the answer might take just 3 minutes.